guys, Gary from Screens and Thrills here. So we've popped on over to Whitley Bay on this fine Easter Monday to have a look at the Spanish City Fair run by Turners. It seems a lot bigger than previous years. This is the first time we've actually visited in person, but we have seen photos from previous years and it does seem a lot bigger. And we also have some Scottish rides here as well. So let's get on over and have a look. So a little bit of history about Spanish Funfair, Spanish City Funfair. It used to be held in a purpose building, with which you can see that white domed building is what is left of it. And it is now run by Turners Funfairs. So where the Funfair is situated at the moment is where the original Spanish City Funfair used to be. So as you walk through one of the entrances, just off the links here, you met with Mini Miami for the kids. You got the runaway train by Turners. Then you got a Hop It Up. You got a mini traditional carousel in the middle. Junior's Crazy Cottage, Funhouse, Ticknet Alley. Here we've got the ever popular Sadie's Saloon. Here we've got some inflatables for children. Slide. Then we've got the first Scottish ride, which is Mitchell Wilmot's Top Star. Use this ground for next year, please. Then we've got Philip Cooper's Ghost Train. We've got the trampolines. Side stalls. There we go, the ever popular Stealth Bomber. Game new for this year. So in the middle we've got the juvenile ride. We've got some jets. We've got a mini ski jump. And we've got a mini wheel, all of which are Philip Cooper seniors. I believe that one is at Turners. And then we've got the ever popular odeon Tagada by Turners. Got Turners License to Thrill. And Team Turners Rolling Thunder Waltzer. And then we've got Philip Cooper's new Hop It Up. And we've got Harry's Dodgems. And we've got the King Sizzler. We've got King Sizzler by Slaters. next to William Clark's Kickdown. Then we got another Scottish ride here, which is Starfighter. Last time this was in the northeast was a few months ago in Hartlepool, so it's good to see it back in the north of England so soon. Hopefully we see it around in England a lot more often. And then we've got a Caterpillar coaster. We've got a monster truck ride. One of your more traditional hugger ducks. And we've got the House of Fun house. Then we've got the Jolly Joker set of side stalls. And we've also got Freeman's Rotor next to the Everest inflatable slide, which is owned by Turner's. And then we have one of the oldest showmen on the road. We have Gilbert Chadwick Senior, his Funhouse. Looking just as good as ever. He takes very, very good care of his Funhouse. And then we've got Mitchell Wilmot's Air Raid, our next Scottish ride, back in the northeast. So that's it for our quick visit over to the Spanish City Funfair for the Easter weekend. This fair is open until the 9th of April, which is this Thursday. It's a free entry, it's pay per ride, rides are reasonably priced. So if you're looking for something to do with the kids while they're off on their Easter holidays, pop on over to Whitley Bay and have a look at their Easter fair. And if you've enjoyed this video, as always, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share it with your friends, get them to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.